Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be making a new experience. So let's do classic base plate. I'm just gonna make this a war. Maybe. Okay. Here. Here. Oops, sorry. I'm going to get maybe swords. Oh, maybe I should just add these to the starter packs. And then high sky quality, maybe. This looks cool. Then maybe some admin just in case there's hackers. Or maybe this. Or maybe for the hackers in there, I'm going to put there. Maybe just put a dummy in there. Never mind. Then we want to publish to Roblox. What if we want to name this? Maybe some console. Disagree now. This is where you fight. Quote. And now we're just gonna make sure again. Publish to Roblox. Creations. It's not there. Maybe it's private. It is private. Where maybe if I'm gonna make it my favorite and play the game. Maybe this actually works. I'm gonna take a screen this. Maybe make that one of the maybe make that one of this icon. Wait, where is it? There we go, guys. I found it. So let's save this. It'll load. But hold on. Okay, guys. So I just installed the plugin. I'm going to go in the game and put one of the haters in the jail cell that I don't like. So let's go. Okay. Do you want to? Yeah, sure. Plugins, character. Please sub my team. Lisa Game. I have no idea what her name is. It's Lisa Game. Or is it Lisa Game? Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna put her character in the game. Right, I just lost a toolbox. Lisa gaming. Okay, so what we do is we want to say no to, and then we want to put her into my key. Ooh, that's go into the jail. Go into the jail. You're supposed to go into the jail because you destroyed Bloxburg houses. So we're going to publish that to Roblox. We're going to play the game and see if she's there. Okay. There she is. We're not gonna let her out. I'm gonna open it and we're going to push her over here. Close it. And yeah, that's just me making the game. I will see you guys into the next video. Bye!